Hello, are you free?
Yes, please, come in.
Thank you. I need to go to the airport.
Sure, no problem. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, thank you. Do you have a flight soon?
Yes, my flight is in 2 hours.
Great. We'll reach on time. Do you know the fastest way?
Yes, I will take the highway.
Will there be traffic?
Maybe a little, but it should be fine.
Okay, that sounds good.
Don't worry, I'll get you there safely.
I really appreciate it.
Are you traveling for work or vacation?
For work, I have a business meeting.
Oh, nice. Where are you flying to?
I'm flying to New York.
Wow. Big city.
Yes, I'm excited, but also nervous.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
The weather looks nice today.
Yes, sunny and not too hot.
That's perfect for traveling.
True, rain makes traffic worse.
Exactly. I was worried about that.
You're lucky today.
How long have you been driving taxis?
Almost 10 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, I enjoy meeting new people.
That's interesting.
Every passenger has a story.
Do you like living in this city?
Yes, it's busy but full of life.
I like the food here.
Oh yes, street food is amazing.
I tried kebabs yesterday.
Ah, one of the best.
How much time left to reach?
Around 30 minutes.
Okay, that's good.
Don't worry, you'll make it.
Thanks for driving fast but safe.
Safety is always first.
Excuse me, I need to take a call.
Of course. Go ahead.
Yes, I'm on my way. Sorry about that.
No problem. Happens all the time.
Thank you for understanding. Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Would you like me to turn on the radio?
Sure. Something soft, please.
Okay, here you go. That's nice. Relaxing music.
Yes, makes the ride better.
Do you ever meet famous people?
Sometimes, yes.
Really? That's cool.
Once I drove a movie actor.
Wow, that's amazing.
It was a short ride, but exciting.
Do you work every day?
Almost, but I take Sundays off.
That's good. Family time.
Yes, I spend it with my kids.
That's wonderful.
Family keeps me happy.
Are we close to the airport?
Yes, about 10 minutes away.
That's a relief.
Don't worry, you'll be on time.
Thanks again.
My pleasure.
How much will the fare be?
Around $25.
Okay, that's fine.
Do you want to pay cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
No problem.
The airport looks busy today.
Yes, always crowded.
I hope check-in doesn't take long.
If you check in online, it's faster.
Oh, yes, I already did.
Perfect. You'll save time.
Do you like driving at night?
Sometimes, less traffic.
That makes sense.
But daytime is safer.
True. Safety is important.
Always. We're almost there.
I can see the terminal.
Yes, just a few more minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Give me a moment.
Sure.
Payment complete.
Great. Thank you.
Here's your receipt.
You've been very kind.
Thank you. Safe travels.
I'll recommend your service.
That means a lot.
Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Oh, the air feels fresh here.
Yes, airports are usually windy.
Makes me feel awake.
Good energy for your flight.
Exactly.
Take care of yourself.
I will. Thanks again.
Bye. Safe flight.